Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. This video I will be sharing with you guys the new Prada Beauty Skin Reveal Foundation. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I do product reviews on beauty, luxury beauty, skincare, and makeup. Occasionally, I might share a luxury accessory review or a vlog here and there. So I'm very happy to be back, you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which I highly recommend, I share swatches there and other things that I otherwise might not on YouTube. But if you follow me, I'll put my handle somewhere here. It's the same as my YouTube handle at Christina Madara. You would have seen that I was gone for a month. I was traveling for a month all over, and I think my body can feel it right now. I guess this is when, you know, age is coming in. So I've been back, maybe, when did I fly back? From the East Coast, I came back on the 22nd, so around Tuesday. It's Saturday now. A lot of really good launches. I think in a span of 3 to 4 weeks, I've never seen such amazing product launches, not just limited edition collections, like actual product categories that brands are rolling out. So it was very hard for me. Even now in my head, I don't really know, like I feel like I need to catch up, and there's so much different products. I don't know what to do first, but I decided that this one is the first one I want to tackle because it is the most anticipated one. It is a brand launch for beauty. So it's a new designer beauty brand that's come out. So it's from Prada. Prada usually just does fragrances before. It's their first foray in makeup, and they've come out like very strong with multiple categories, but I just wanted to try the foundation first because I think I love foundation and complexion products, and for me it really establishes the brand in terms of quality and just overall, because complexion is harder to get. Color, I mean, you can even go drugstore. If you're good, you just make it work. So without further ado, here is my first thoughts on the product. So this is the Prada Reveal Skin Optimizing Foundation with SPF 17, PA+++, 3 pluses. This is how the box looks like. So if you guys are wondering where I purchased it, I will put the link down below. It is not yet, I believe it's not yet available. In Canada, I don't think it's available, and then I think in the US, I don't think it's available, because when it launched, I was in the US. I went around Boston, New York. Nobody had it. It's not an in-store kind of thing. But anyway, let me just run down the things that they claim for the product. So augmented complexion instantly unifies skin with an all-day soft matte. Seamless and flexible coverage optimizes light diffusion in real life and on screen with IRL. A micro filter technology blurs the look of pores and fine lines. Over time, improves overall skin look. Skin feels moisturized. Diffusing a healthy glow refines skin texture. It says it's been evaluated on bare skin by women and men. Exclusive patented technology. 6 years of research. Life-proof and transfer-resistant formula. Wow! Made for all skin tones and skin types, including sensitive skins. So this one retails for 72 Canadian and 60 euros, I believe. You can do the conversion for US. So it's not an extremely expensive foundation. This is how the packaging looks like. And you get your standard 30 ml. So let's talk about the packaging, you guys. This is plastic, but it feels heavy or hefty. But this is not like, I have it over there, so I'm not gonna grab it. It's not like a glass jar like the Dior or Tom Ford. This is a bit more on the practical side. It's a bit lighter, but design-wise, it's still beautiful. Comes with a pump, so nothing groundbreaking with the packaging. So I'm going to share with you guys my initial thoughts. I might revisit this again, but because I am just very excited to share this with you guys, I decided to sit and actually do an actual video. So I've tried it twice now. Today is the second time, and the reason why I was inclined, even if I'm not feeling too well, to turn on the camera and actually film is because I've had it on for maybe an hour now, and initial application for the second time, which was today, I wasn't very like blown away, and I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna try it anyway, because I usually give foundations a couple of tries before I formulate any thought. But after an hour of doing errands and running around the house, I looked at my complexion, and let me tell you, you guys, I'm very surprised and happy with what I see. I think I cooked, I cleaned, I was running around, and for that amount of work that I've done for the foundation, when I looked in the mirror, I was so shocked at how nice it looked, because initially it didn't even, when I put it on, it wasn't like, oh my god, this is holy grail, I love it. There are certain foundations that on first application you're just like, this is amazing. So I didn't get that, but then as I've been wearing it, it just really surprised me. So I'm gonna begin with the shade that I got. The shade that I got is LW10. This is light, so this is how it works with them. L is light and W is a warm undertone, and then 10, I guess, is the degree. I love how in the packaging they include that, so you understand their numbering or their shading system. I think I could have gone darker, but it seems like if I did, it won't suit me anymore. And I usually, if I'm deciding between two shades, I go for the lighter, because you can always warm it up with bronzer and other things. So I think this is going to be a perfect match for me, especially for the winter, which is amazing because we are coming into winter now. So this is how it looks. It's not very watery or liquidy. There's a bit of weight to it, but if you hold your fist long enough, it's gonna start trickling down. The consistency is a bit on the thicker side. And then let's talk about coverage, you guys. This coverage is instantly medium. I don't think you can go, this is not a light to medium kind of thing. This is a true medium right when you apply. And I think, to me, you can see how the shade is a little light for me right now. But of course, this summer I traveled all over, so I think I'm darker than my usual. But you can see why probably it looks like it's not as medium coverage, but I'm sure if it wasn't this light, you can see what I'm saying. This is more of a medium coverage, you guys, immediately or instantly. See, I covered my mole right there. It covers it. Yep. So if you guys are wondering for shade matching in MAC, I'm an NC30, and then for Dior, I'm a 2N, 2 neutral or 2W, depends on the season. So this is definitely the finish. It says it's a soft matte, but to me it looks really matte. Like when you initially apply it. I tried it both ways. I tried using a brush and then I tried using a beauty blender. Honestly, I prefer the beauty blender because of the finish it gives. I think if you want to pack it on a bit more, you can use, I don't know why I'm getting all these like shadows. You can use the brush if you want more coverage. I think the beauty blender diffuses it more, but there's something about the finish that I think looks more natural and beautiful with the beauty blender and less matte. So I think the soft matte comes after a little while. Like after you wear it, I think it really starts to look just like skin and not foundation. And I think that's the one that really impressed me the most after checking in. And this was checking in like an hour. This is not a whole day check-in yet. So I really like the finish that it's given me. I also didn't use like I only did one layer all over, and the feeling is very regular. There's nothing that stood out for me or like a red flag to me. It feels like any other foundation. There's no fragrance, which is good. There is no fragrance in this foundation. So initial application, I didn't really notice that much of a difference from other foundations, or it wasn't initially mind-blowing, but I think it's the beauty of the foundation as you wear it, which is what I really like. Also, I'm combination skin. So right now it's very hot here in Vancouver, and I can feel my T-zone, especially my nose, getting oily. But I think it's just the way that the foundation wears on the skin. It has not moved. It has not moved. It hasn't shifted. It's not doing anything crazy or weird, and it still looks really nice. I can feel that my nose is getting oily though, but it still feels really nice. So I'm very impressed. I think it's more of how the finish or how it wears on the skin. The longer it lasts, the more natural and beautiful it looks. I haven't seen it really set on any of my fine lines, and I think it really does a job of blurring or minimizing pores just because the finish of my skin looks really beautiful. So I'm gonna give this a bit more time, and I don't know if I will revisit it or have things to add, then maybe I'll upload another video or an update for the foundation. I just wanted to quickly share this with you guys because I know that a lot of people wanting to try this are anticipating for this launch from Prada, and I think, you know, medium coverage, soft matte, supposed to be transfer resistant and good for even sensitive skin. I think it sounds amazing. I am loving it so far. I think I'm combination skin, and I think it's just wearing really well for a hot summer day. And it's making my skin look really nice and just natural. It's almost like I can still see imperfections, but it almost looks like I don't really have foundation, which is what I like. I think that is one of the unique things there, but that is about it. I just wanted to quickly share this with you guys, and I hope you guys found that interesting and informative. The link of the product will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you very soon in my next video because I have a lot of things that I want to share with you guys. Let me know if you're interested in me doing a favorites video or a new makeup haul video. There's just so much new products and I'm so excited to share, but let me know which of those two you prefer. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or an amazing evening.